Do you know how the market feels every day? You can tell by looking at the four magic numbers, the open, close, high, and low prices of each candlestick. These numbers show you the mood swings of the buyers and sellers and help you guess where the price is going next. Many smart robots use these numbers too, but they can't beat you if you know how to use them right. Want to learn a secret trick to make more money with these numbers? Then go to TradingView and pick the gold chart with 15 minutes per candle. Then add a special indicator called yesterday's open, high, low, and close to the chart. Before we start trading, let's tweak the indicator settings. Turn off everything except yesterday's close. That's the only price we care about in this strategy. Now you'll see a line on the chart that shows the closing price of yesterday's candle. The idea is to trade when the price breaks this line, but there are some details you need to pay attention to. Listen carefully. If the price closes above the line from below, that's a buy signal. And if the price closes below the line from above, that's a sell signal. This strategy works on any chart or time frame you choose. You can make money by following the breakouts of the line that shows yesterday's close. Let me show you some examples. On the gold chart with 1 hour time frame, we could sell when the price broke the line down. On the next example, we could buy when the price broke the line up. On the next one, we have the Nifty chart with 15 minutes candle. On the next one, we have the Euro USD chart with 5 minutes time frame. On the last one, we have the Bitcoin chart with 30 minutes time frame. You can see how easy and profitable this strategy is. Just follow the line and trade the breakouts. Next, I want to make this strategy even more accurate. So let's add another indicator to it. It's called MACD4C and we're going to tweak it to make it a trend finder. Just follow me and change the settings as I do. Now with these changes, we can say that when the histogram of MACD4C is green and above zero, we have a bullish momentum in the market. And vice versa, when the histogram is red and below zero, we have a bearish momentum in the market. Ready to trade like a pro? Let me show you how to spot the perfect short entry. First, you need to see a bearish breakout of the line that marks yesterday's close. That means the price is dropping fast. Next, you need to confirm the downtrend with a MACD 4C indicator. That means the histogram is red and below the zero line. If both these conditions are met, you have a confirmed sell signal. You can go ahead and enter a short trade. Next, you need to set a stop loss for your trade. You can use the recent swings to do that. Also, the exit strategy for this trade is to aim for the nearest target, which is a 1.5 times your risk, or in other words, a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And now, let me show you how to spot the perfect long entry. First, you need to see a bullish breakout of the line that marks yesterday's close. That means the price is rising fast. Next, you need to confirm the uptrend with the MACD 4C indicator. That means the histogram is green and above the zero line. If both these conditions are met, you have a confirmed buy signal. You can go ahead and enter a long trade. Next, you need to set a stop loss for your trade. You can use the recent swings to do that. Also, the exit strategy for this trade is to aim for the nearest target, which is 1.5 times your risk, or in other words, a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. You can't trust every breakout you see. Some of them are fake and will make you lose money. That's why you need to filter them with the MACD 4C indicator. It shows you the real trend in the market. Let me show you some examples. In this one, the price broke the line down, but the MACD 4C was showing an uptrend. That means the breakout was fake and we should ignore it. In the next two examples, the same thing happened. The price broke the line, but the MACD 4C was against it. These are also fake breakouts and we should avoid them. But in the last example, the price broke the line up and the MACD 4C was showing an uptrend. That means the breakout was real and we should buy it. This is a confirmed buy signal. But if you want an easy way to make money from trading without any technical knowledge, you should watch this video.